This is Harbour View. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Jamaican Insider and welcome to Harbour View. In our previous video, we did a journey from downtown Kingston to Harbour View. Of course, we showed the new real estate development that is here in Harbour View as well in that video. So if you want to see that video, you can click the link in the top right hand corner. Alright, so now we're in the Harbour View shopping center, just taking a drive around and showing you what is here. As you know, there is a supermarket called Shoppers Fair. Different restaurants are here as well, the gas station and convenience store. But other than that, I'm going to show you what the older houses are like here in Harbour View. So do relax, buckle up and enjoy the ride. We'll be starting on the Fort Nugent Drive. Turning onto Harbour Drive. Also on our right is the Harbour View Football Club. Martello Drive on our left. On our right is the Balkan Avenue and Tuna Avenue on our left. And now we're on Neptune Avenue. We've just made it onto Coral Way. Passing by Cove Avenue on our right. Blue and yellow are the colors for Harbour View Primary School on our right. The vendors are out selling their products on Seashore Place. And now we're on the Harbour View roundabout. The first exit will take us to St. Thomas, and the second one will lead us to the Norman Manley International Airport and Port Royal. Now we are about to take the Sir Florizel Glasspool Highway, named after a former not Prime Minister, but Governor General, former Governor General. Passing by some police officers on patrol, I should let you know that this is actually one of their favorite spots to do patrols and to stop vehicles and do, checks, random checks. So definitely be careful when driving on this road and any other road here in Jamaica. We're not just avoiding police, but we also want to keep it safe for other motorists as well. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for sticking and staying with me. Stick around, another 2 hours coming up. Thank you.